Welcome to Denny's Roofing, your trusted partner for storm damage roof repairs in Louisville, Colorado. We have the expertise you need when securing durable and attractive residential and commercial roofs in Louisville. We specialize in delivering top-quality roofs for homes and businesses throughout Colorado. Our mission is to transform the roofing replacement process, making it a stress-free experience for you. No more worrying about roof repairs' rough aspects, we've got it covered. Louisville's unpredictable weather can take a toll on your roof, but we're here to safeguard your investment. Our skilled professionals are well equipped to assess and repair storm damage, ensuring your peace of mind. From hail to heavy rain, we're prepared to address all your roofing needs with precision and care. Craftsmanship is our pride, and we offer durable solutions that can withstand Colorado's most challenging conditions. When you choose us, you're choosing a roofing company that values your safety and satisfaction. Transparency is our hallmark, and we always provide fair and honest assessments for your roofing projects. Don't wait until a minor issue becomes a significant problem. Contact us today for a roof inspection. Call us now at 970-808-0247 or visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/Louisville-roofing-company for more information. We're committed to safeguarding your home and business. Experience the difference with Denny's Roofing, your reliable partner for stress-free storm damage roof repairs in Louisville, Colorado.